Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Friday's English lesson for the easy activity. And we are carrying on looking at the second join. It's when we join on to those tall letters, and remember our join meets the tall letters, not there, about halfway up. We practiced a pattern yesterday, so today we're going to practice that word ill. So again, you can either copy it onto a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you can trace this on the Lesson 7 worksheet that is saved under handwriting. So we lead in, we go up to that line and back down, and then we join in, go all the way up to the top, back down, join, keep going all the way back up to the top, down and flick, and go back and dot the I. So if you're writing at home, can you practice writing that word ill at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times? If you've got the sheet, you're tracing it on this line and then writing it on this line, which is quite tricky. You've got to remember that the I fits in between the two middle lines, but the L's go all the way up to the top line. Can you keep all your letters the same size? Good luck. Now we're on the last day of term, and I expect lots of you feeling quite tired out, so hopefully you'll be pleased to know that we've got quite a nice quick English activity to do today. And if you need some more things to do, then I think you deserve a treat to reward yourself for your hard work. And once you've finished today, maybe you could watch another Tinker Tinker Tale of your choice. But before you do that, you've got a very important job to do. I would like you to check your story from yesterday. And I want you to think, have you written in sentences that make sense? Do you need to add in any words? Have you remembered to use finger spaces? If you haven't, you can't really put those in now, but maybe you could choose one sentence to rewrite beautifully to show your teacher how good you can do your finger spaces. Have you used capital letters and full stops correctly? If not, can you go back and put capital letters and full stops in the right place? You might need grown-ups help to listen to you read it out and think where a sentence ends. Because remember, a full stop doesn't just go at the end of the line, it needs to be where your sentence finishes. And finally, have you used and in your story? If not, is there a sentence that you could add and onto? Maybe you'd like to rewrite that sentence with an and then something else. For example, if you've written elephant was sad, could you change that to elephant was sad and he went to find his friend? So have a go at that for me today. If your teacher has emailed you back about your writing from yesterday, they might have given you some ideas of how you could make it better. And we can't wait to see your edited work. Oh, one last thing. When we edit work in school, what do we use? Well done if you said we use a purple polishing pen. So for example, if we had spelt the word wrong, like can, it is spelt right, but let's pretend, we would cross it out and we would write the correct spelling in purple. If you've got a purple pen at home, that's brilliant. But if you could do your editing in a different colour to show us that it's what you changed afterwards, that would be really helpful. Good luck.